Hi, my name is Brittany Cookingham. I'm a student physical therapist at Sacred Heart University. Today we'll be discussing quadricep muscle reeducation with the use of neuromuscular electrical stimulation, also known as NMES, with the use of a rushing current. Electrode pads are placed on motor points proximal and distal on a muscle. The NMES generates an involuntary muscle contraction by depolarizing the alpha motor neurons. Repetitious stimulations of the muscle contractions will provide an afferent feedback to the central nervous system, allowing the muscle to learn. By the use of the neuromuscular stimulation, the patient can relearn how to contract their muscle. According to Kim et al., NMES applied to the quadricep group, in combination with Therex, will far succeed just the control group that did Therex alone. Lepsy et al. Concluded that NMES was effective in attenuating quadricep muscle loss and improving muscle function following surgical repair. Lepsy et al. Also found that NMES was most clinically meaningful in the first month following surgery, with benefits persisting throughout the year after surgery. In our case report, we have MG, who's 5-day status post, ACL, PCL, and MCL reconstruction.
Hi MG, how you doing today? Okay, well today we're going to work on your quadricep strength using this machine. So first of all, I'm just going to use an alcohol pad to just clean the surface to get the pads on.
Aren't there usually 4 of these things?
So when there's 4 pads, this machine is using a different current. When you have the 4 pads around your knee, it's using an interferential current. So the difference between the interferential current and the Russian is that the interferential is using a gate control theory. So the idea behind that is have you ever like bumped your head and then you instantly rub your head? So the idea behind that is that you can feel the sensation of you rubbing your head faster than you can feel the pain. So the idea behind that is that the sensory fibers travel to your brain faster than the pain fibers. Of course, that's just theory. Now the Russian, this is a different current. This is causing a forceful contraction of your muscle. So this machine is going to make your muscle contract. And then your central nervous system will relearn, and as the machine keeps contracting for you, your muscle will relearn how to contract. In order to set up the Russian, we'll first start by clicking the electrotherapy button. And then these are all the different currents that the machine can produce. We want the Russian current. And then from here we can edit the parameters. We want the parameters to promote muscle reeducation. So a cycle time should be 10 seconds on, 50 seconds off. So the machine is going to cause an involuntary contraction of the quadricep for 10 seconds. And then the patient can relax while the machine is off for the 50 seconds. And then the cycle will keep going, the 10 and 50. And then the patient will sit here through the cycles for 20 minutes.
Alright MG, I'm going to be turning up the machine until there's a muscle contraction. So if you would just tell me when you start to feel the contraction. Alright?
Okay. I'm feeling it.
You're starting to feel it? Well, I'm looking for a full contraction, so. I'm sorry.